The idea that again, the sort of monkey see, monkey do thing. It's easy, right? It's easy to teach that way in a larger institution setting where there's 30 or 40 kids in your classroom. There's really no way to, in my opinion, to teach mathematics properly where you can actually take the time and explain, why things work the way they are and create this narrative story from start to finish. Here, like my old cranky professor did. Here's the story. Here's the story of zero, and here's how you add a one to it. And here's how you add a two to it. This sort of narrative that you carry with you forever, right? I mean, if you learn how to factor a quadratic equation mechanically, you are likely going to forget that by the time kid comes from algebra 2 to pre-calculus, let's say, over a summer. They're probably going to forget how they were supposed to factor those things. But if they remember why they were doing it, what the tools were that they were doing it with, they're much more likely to remember how to do the mechanics of the thing. So yeah, some of our teachers and like to build a narrative, a story from start to finish. Whether it be physics, whether it be mathematics, and look, in the humanities, we teach stories, we tell stories, right? And I think that is a very important way, and I guess we're talking about retention here, right? It's a very important way to remember the stuff that we want our kids to learn, and not just lose it.
You can't have your meat if you don't eat your vegetables.